Good morning to one and all. This is Jishnu Radhakrishnan from Pantech Solutions. So here today we are going to see how to create a virtual reality project with Unity 3D software. Okay. So on behalf of Pantech Solutions, I thank SRM for giving us such a wonderful opportunity. Pantech has been origined in the year of 2004 and it has 7 branches. There are 100 plus employees. We have conducted around 1200 plus workshops. We have around R&D for industry oriented projects. We have conducted faculty development programs, hands-on training workshops, internships, in-plant trainings, short-term courses, value-added courses, academic project training, customized design services, and the state of art in R&D. We have experted in these domains such as Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, it's supposed to be and everyone is audible to me. We have experted in these domains such as Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, embedded systems, VLSI, image processing, network simulation, power electronics, electric vehicle, big data, Internet of Things, Python, Android application, data with image and text mining, cloud computing, mobile computing. So virtual reality, I hope everyone knows what is a reality, right? So whenever we go into an imaginary thing, it becomes as a virtual reality, which is similar to dream. Which is similar to dream. What and all we see, it will be reality side, but we cannot feel it by touching physical presence in that way. So these and all has to be said as a virtual reality, right? So where these are uses and how to create it, as well as what are its types, and what are the hardwares and softwares currently used for it. So this and all nothing but it comes under this session. Okay, so let us go for that. And today's content is nothing but what is VR, will be looking for it, applications, its types, hardware is used for VR, software is used for VR, and a conclusion. So it is nothing but it is a use of computer technology simulating an environment like a real one. Okay, for example, you want to study regarding your computer science data allocation, in the sense we will be creating that exact architecture in that way. So whenever if we give some input according to the memory allocation spaces, it will be changing frequently. So with the real experience, real view of experience, we will be able to see. So if we go for with another domain, in the sense we have to go with medical field. So whenever if we want to go with medical field, in the sense if a student want to know about heart as well as its parts, so we can create a virtual diagram with that. With the help of other hardware and display devices, they will be able to easily visualize it, as well as they can feel some experience that they are seeing it in the live format. So it is not needed that they have to kill a person and see their heart. So here we can create it artificially, I think so. So in this way, virtual reality will be helping in medical fields. So why they are taking it as a VR place? it will take their user inside the particular place. Like whenever we see a dream, we feel that we will be going on along the dream. Just at a point when we get wake up, then only we will come to know it was a dream. Until that, we will be knowing, we will be thinking that it is a real one. So this can be related with the nearby experiences. So what is the difference between dream as well as virtual reality? In the sense, dream cannot be recalled, right? Even many scientists has been undergoing research how it can be recalled, or is there any possibilities of recording it. But VR is nothing but whatever we are creating the environment, that is a virtual reality. So there is no any recordings and all. Whenever you want to play it, you can just play it. Okay. Whenever we go for this virtual reality, obviously it is a 3D world, 3-dimensional, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, right? It should be similar to our life itself. If we turn, it should turn. So if we look at the particular position, or if we want to control, in the sense, we have to have some control keys, right? So why in this way it has been created? In the sense, to get an physical appearance, but we will be able to feel it. So in this way we can treat in a psychiatric way. Example, mainly this virtual reality has been used in the sense only in the purpose of game. Okay, let it be any games, whatever you are playing, whether waving in front of a Kinect, or using that game pads, and playing badminton, or running in front of your Xbox or Sony PlayStation. So this and all comes under with the VR experience only. So you will be feeling that we are playing the game. That is nothing but motion games, which you can see in malls and all. You will be playing in the live with some objects which you will be holding in the hand. For example, you will be having a stick in your hand, and that will be assumed as your bat. So whenever you want to play the cricket or some badminton like that, means you just wave it. It is nothing but its own experience. And here we will be seeing it how it is created in a system, how to create it in Windows platform. So the keys are used is nothing but my arrow keys, and for viewing it I will be using my mouse pad. So it will be just a basic project, how to view inside a virtual reality. So applications of virtual reality. So there are several applications such as military, education, healthcare, entertainment, engineering, scientific visualization, films. I have added only the limited thing, and there are more. Mostly they are used in aircraft, then for driving schools. Nowadays driving schools has started to implement it. Okay, so in military, in the sense, they can take a perspective training. In what way, whatever way they are going to create it, they can take it in the way of perspective training. Education, in the sense, learning. So whatever I have said, for doctor students, they have to learn about the heart or some of the human anatomy. Or if they are a zoologist, means they can analyze regarding that animals. So this are all nothing but the place we cannot reach really, or they feel difficult to reach in the real way. So that environment can be created with a set of tools, and we can visualize it. So with the help of this visualization, it gives us an experience of working in that particular field. Okay, so this and all comes under just a creativity, where the applications are different, but the common thing we require is nothing but the creativity. Okay, so the basic backend support is given with the help of C# in Visual Studio. Even 3D objects can be rendered with the help of Python also, but main it is played the role with the help of Visual Studio. So in healthcare as well as the education, it comes under the same. Only for the study purpose they will be using it. right? And we can take a live presence camera also, in the sense if we add a camera towards the stool for a telepresence, that we should feel that we are inside it. So whenever we see the screen, we will be inside the screen. So just if you walk means it will go a little bit forward. If we turn left or turn right, it will be moving that way. So whatever if we take a mobile and if we work it on it means it will be known as a first person camera. So whenever we access a camera and we access our full image into it means it is nothing but adding a third party. So these are not nothing but some of the techniques regarding the virtual reality, how can it be implemented. Then entertainment. So entertainment in the sense it is nothing but creating an experience of a dance, or whenever you hear a song, you will be feeling that you will be in a heaven. So in that way. So regarding the games, so whenever you play games nowadays, we will get many of the simulating things. So with that stimulation, we will be connecting it wirelessly towards the TV or your respected system. So with that help, we will be just pressing only the buttons, right? So whenever we go for entertainment, not only that music or dance in that way, if we go with the major area for entertainment in the sense it is games. So when I talk about the games, nowadays the top trending game is nothing but PUBG. So even PUBG has many different controlling options, right? So if you play in system, you can use with the mouse as well as the keyboard. If you play with your PlayStation or Xbox, in the sense you will be having a joystick as well as the stimulating, and you can see it in this picture. There might be some connectivities, and as well as if you play in mobile, you can play with the touch screen, as well as you can connect some connecting pads towards your mobile. There is some option, I think. So just for firing or moving in that way, there is a separate connecting pads which will be available in markets. So these are all nothing but it is controlling a virtual reality thing. So that is the way which we will be going it. So whenever we play PUBG, how it makes it as a virtual reality, we feel that we are one of them, and for addition, we are calling our friends through internet. So we are able to speak with them. We can command them. They will also able to command us. So when this comes, we will feel that we are we are now also with friends itself. So not only that, whenever you start the game, there will be some landing options and all. So in that landing options, if you select your current GPS or in that way means, you can see that your locations over there. So these and all some environments created for PUBG, right? And this environments will make you to feel that you are inside that game, right? So just for playing with hands itself, you are you are thinking that you are inside the game. In case if you add this VR box or some simulation oriented devices, in the sense, that's all, you are completely a PUBG soldier. So that is nothing but the hardwares. With the help of the hardwares only, it will make you to feel. Even whenever you play some games in boxes, Xbox and all, you will be using, even though if you are using that wireless joysticks such as driving simulation or any attack oriented means, whenever you are getting attacked or you are getting wronged, in the sense, at that time the joystick starts to vibrate. So that is nothing but it has a communication. So whenever if you are doing any mistakes or if you are going for any failing methods and all means, it will start to communicate, and therefore you will feel a vibration inside the joystick. That vibration will be little bit heavy itself. So these are all nothing but their own simulation hardwares. Okay. In engineering, in order to view some of the engineering perspective, for example, If you go with network simulation, in the sense we can check for that network connectivities by creating that particular environment. And in order to learn about a machine, for example, if you are taking a motor and you have to learn all the parts, right? uh, Most of the colleges will be having some dismantled motor. Even though the dismantled motor is there, it will be little bit difficult to see all the things. So if a particular environment is created to it, it is easy to view through that. Okay. And scientific visualization, and engineering doesn't differ a much thing. So if you go with scientific visualization, we can go with at most medical as well as chemical fields. Okay. So in medical field, in the sense, now we will be able to see in the news how the structure of a corona is there, right? So they have created such an environment how it will be there. Therefore everyone, in everyone's mind, it has been stored that it will be in this shape and it has this characteristics and how it will be moving. So this and all nothing but one of the application oriented, we are creating that environment. Okay. So whatever, if we see it in a big screen or small screen, we will be able to see that particular environment itself. So to make this more reality, we will be using that VR boxes or some of the vibrators or some multiple display items. So these and all comes under complete reality. Okay. So film, the most important areas for virtual reality and how it has been used, in the sense only in games and films. Okay. The first place goes for games only, because many games till now, there are plenty of games that can be compared with virtual reality, and the exact application has been deployed by the many of the companies by using the game technology. And in films, we can take some of the film, such as if we go for Indian films, we can go with Bahubali and all. If we go with some of the Hollywood films, in the sense, you can go with Marvel, Avengers, or in that series, Harry Potter. So whatever we see through that, we can see that behind the scenes technique. Even in YouTube, many of the videos are there. They will be just playing or just waving their hands only in front of that green shade. So that can be really added towards with the help of VFX and graphics. So then only that reality has been created. But whenever we see a movie, we come to know, or we will think it that those things are real. And especially whenever we, at the first time, whenever I was a kid, when I used to see these kind of movies, I think if a person real like Hulk was there, means it will be good to smash everything. Or if I would be a Hulk, it will be good. So these are all nothing but whenever we go into reality, we will start to think in that mind. So it is nothing but our psychic path. Then for some of the students, or some persons, if they are less in concentration, when they meet their doctors, they will treat for that VR. They will be known as a VR therapy. Nothing but to, whenever they focus on that particular virtual reality environment, they have to exactly concentrate on that. It may be a game, or it may be a small thing, just following a ball, or they have to monitor that what and all the parachutes at different sizes. So with the help of their concentration, they can develop it. If they apply concentration to the particular thing, they can develop their concentration mind. So there are some therapies regarding this. Okay. So this is the some of the applications of virtual reality. So till now, the virtual reality, they feel for deployment, in the sense only in the side of industry. Even there are many options, still it is undergoing research in what way we can create it. or how to deploy it in an industry, or what is the purpose. Okay, so this and all comes under a great virtual reality. So types of virtual reality: non-immersive, fully immersive, augmented reality, collaborative, web-based. Okay, so non-invasive in the sense, uh, whatever we are playing games in Xbox only with Xbox as well as with the joystick, in the sense that comes under non-immersive. Okay, in this we will be able to see the display from a far place, and we will be having some other controls to do it. Whereas if we go with fully immersive means, we will be using that VR headset, right? Virtual reality headset. We will be mounting it in our head, and with some controllers we will be starting into access it, so that we can feel that we are really inside this. So it is nothing but fully immersive reality. So augmented reality is nothing but it is a type of virtual reality. Many of them might have heard this name. So nowadays in industries they are trying to implement this just only for the purpose of detecting the fault. Okay, so this augmented reality in the sense creating an imaginary part with the reality. That is nothing but augmented reality. Whenever we create an imaginary part, so whenever we go with some examples in our phones itself, we have AI cams, right? So whenever we show our face, it exactly fixes the coolers or hat or with some funny characters and all. So this and all comes under augmented reality. Augmented reality exactly has been created in Harvard Business School. So in what way they have created, in the sense, whenever we focus a camera towards just a map of a power plant layout, it will show how the power plant starts to work. Entire thing, how the power plant from beginning till end, how it gets worked. So when you are free, you can just check the videos with that. Then collaborative in the sense combining both non-immersive and fully immersive reality. Okay, so this can be taken with the system as well as taken with that headsets also, because some of the software package will be not enabling us to work it. Web-based virtual reality. So nowadays, if you see some ads in Instagram or Facebook, they will give a note. You can tilt your phone to get a complete exposure. So we will be turning the phone in different directions. If we have a VR box means it will be more good. Without VR box, if we turn that phone means we can see only the back side of the phone. So but the exact posture just changes. So for virtual reality regarding something, you can just check it in YouTube. You can see a ship VR view. Then Robot Bosch has been created one virtual reality for their autonomous vehicle. It will be in the form of animation, but you will feel and experience that you are going in a car that you are yourself driving in that way. Then expressing some views in roller coaster, that is also there in YouTube. You can feel it directly, because nowadays the YouTube also has been uploaded to the virtual reality thing. If you have any of the VR boxes, you just connect it and just see it. It is easy to implement in that way. So these and all comes under the web based. For this purpose only we will be using that C# as well as .xml, and we will be writing the entire script in Visual Studio itself. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can post it in your comment box. Therefore our entire team will be supporting you. So I will wait for it till those who post any of the comments in this. Okay, so let us go for the next. So, what are the hardwares that can be used for virtual reality? So, whenever we go with this thing, uh, there are many hardwares. Even our phone can also be set as a hardware, right? So, apart from that, there are some immersive rooms, data gloves, head mounted displays, vans, handheld virtual reality controller. Okay, so I think you can see one image of a VR. So you can see the two stick kind things. That is nothing but a handheld virtual reality controller. Okay, and the box one is nothing but head mounted display. Nothing but VR box. Head mounted displays. There are different companies that are providing that VR boxes. One is Google Cardboard, Oculus Rift, Samsung Gear, and HTC. I have said only the limited. Uh, Depends upon the feature. Oculus Rift and HTC. So these both will be cost around 1.5 lakhs for Indian money. And data gloves in the sense you will be having gloves in your hand with fixed with some sensors. So that sensors, whenever you tilt the hand, it will start to react in the particular environment. For example, catching a ball or just waving your hand, so that by waving your hand it may be a sword or a gun. So that is nothing but data clauses. Why it is set as data clauses means whenever you make a movement, those are taken as data and it is streamed wirelessly through the system. Immersive rooms are nothing but the rooms we will be creating only for the particular scenario. So we will be keeping three displays with a virtual reality, not a virtual reality, some of the controllers for playing only some particular games. For example, playing car race game. So we will be allocating only that particular scenes over there, so that we can see at the three sides at the same time. Whereas if you connect it to your VR box means if you turn over the effect, so that is nothing but virtual. It must be in the form of virtual, but in our real life. So for that purpose, we will be using this. Then Blender, CryEngine. So these are nothing but offline softwares. So other than this software, there are some more. Here I have written it as Amazon Sumerian. So this is nothing but completely it is based on the working of Amazon Web Service. So inside, if you go that Amazon Web Service, you will be having an option called as virtual reality. So those who doesn't have a platform to work in their system, they can definitely create with the cloud. So in that way, two clouds are providing you space. One is service as well as the other one is Microsoft Azure. So Google VR in the sense it is nothing but a software development platform which is supported by Google for the Google Cardboard version, which can also be installed even in our Android phones just to view it. Okay, so whatever we think the complicated thing, which is nothing but to get a creative design. Okay, if we get a creative design, we can actually definitely work with that. So most famously used softwares are nothing but Unity, Unreal Engine, and so let us see a demo on this. So I think everyone is able to see my virtual reality environment. So here nothing but I have just created a small and simple one. So I will just zoom it. defaultly Unity 3D software has everything a small character size only. Okay, so this is nothing but my project area, work area. So whatever I am going to use it, I can see what are the things I have used over here. So here I have used the first person camera, light direction, plane, cube and sphere. Okay, so you can see we can change the sizes by dragging it. We can also change the rotations of it, as well as we can change the position. Here I have drawn a plane, and inside the plane I have kept a 3D cube as well. 3D nothing was sphere itself, it's a 3D one, so sphere also I have kept it. So this indicates the direction of light. So nothing but we used to say that sun rises in the east, in that way you have to keep one direction. And this indicates the first person camera. Initially you will be having one camera, and that camera is used only for viewing in one way. This it moves according to our movement. Okay, so how to create, in the sense, first you have to create a project and title, and with the help of the project and title you can add some of the objects like this, basic objects with this. Okay, then if you want to add some environment, you can just move to asset store, which is in top. This requires internet connection, so with the help of that we can download and add the environment. It is not that all the systems will be able to access this thing, since it is some of the environments are paid versions. So I think you will be able, so you can select which category you require. So you can see the paid versions. In case you feel very difficulty in lockdown and you want to just view the city sites, you just download this packages and create your own virtual reality and start to roam inside that, so that none of them can catch you, as well as create put a fine upon you. No corona also will be attacking you. That is one environments. And you will be having the three tabs over here. One is scene, just to create that environment; game, to visualize that environment; and asset store, to download the environment feature. Okay, so here what I have done, in the sense, I have added some assets over here. Nothing but here I have added the asset is nothing but first person. So the first person, in sense, it should be in my view. For that purpose I have downloaded first person. It is available in asset store itself. We can download and import it to the file. It can move to any direction, as well as it can view to any direction. Okay, so then direction of light will be fixed as a default one. Okay, so you doesn't need to change. If you want to change also, you can just drag the position. Then plane, by clicking on the game object, 3D object, just you can get a plane over here. You just drag it according to the size which you need. Okay, then at the same time, similarly we can add the object, nothing but the cube. Click on cube, so that you will be able to see the cube. Therefore I can increase the height of the cube. as well as the width, so that it will be similarly looking like a building. Then in same way I'm adding sphere. It's over here. Okay, so these are all same way we can change the position of that location, everything. So in this way we will be creating the environments. So after creating environment, we should have a trial view over that. So how the trial view, in the sense, just click on the play button. It will take some time. So now you can see, just I am moving my cursor. I can see at the top, this is nothing but the direction of the light. So now if I want to move towards the sphere, so you similarly feel like a playing a game. So you can see that shadow due to that direction of light I have been fixed over there. So I'm just coming over through the sphere. So now whatever we see is nothing but with the implementation of this particular development. So you can see the plane as well as this lines and all. So now we have to make it in the real form, right? So for that we have to build it as a export file. So we can go with the build settings. So in order to create it for PC, Mac, we can go with two forms. One is nothing but standalone option. Other one is nothing but universal Windows platform. It is only for the Windows. You have to download the package. Then for Android, you can also create it for Android as well as PS4, iOS, Xbox in a different way. Even for a web page also we can create it. So whenever we go into that, for Android, in the sense, you have to install the supporting such as JDK and SDK, software development kit and Java development kit. SDK, in the sense, you have to download the Android Studio. Unless and until you have Android Studio, it is not possible to build it as an app. Therefore I have created my system oriented, so that we can view it in the system. Okay, so if you have till this any doubt, you can ask me. A technical team will be supporting for that, or you can mail regarding this at chennai.training@pantechmail.com. So in meanwhile, we have started some internships. Now 50% discount is going on. We will be creating that entire online classes. Okay, so after selecting this, we will be having some requirements. So I will say you simultaneously what is the settings in PC as well as Android. Okay, so whenever we go with PC and Android, in the sense, first thing common is nothing but we have to give a name, and we have to give a name of the product. So I have given it as a Pantech. So first you have to check whether it is for overriding the PC with all the resolution sizes, then with its presentation, So we are enabling it with full screen window. Okay, so rest visible in the background, allow full switching. So these are all some of the common settings that has to be made. Then in other settings you have to see one thing, that whether the API has been changed. Nothing but the bundle identifier, your company name as well as the product name should be over here. com.basic.pantech, it should change automatically. Whereas if you are using older version of Unity 3D, you have to change in each and every place by yourself. In Unity, I am using Unity 2019 version, so that it changes automatically. Then compiler and all automatically gets selected. Compiler we are using is nothing but Visual Studio. So in XR settings we have to select in the form of virtual reality SDK. Okay, so if we select virtual reality SDK for Windows or any of the PC related means, we will be having only option as Oculus Rift VR model. Whereas if we go with Android, we will be having multiple options. So now let's go for with Android. So whenever we go with Android, you have to check for the icon API resolution. So you can see whenever you switch that devices, their options also gets changed. So if you have any logo, you can just give it, or else the Unity's logo will be given. So background, splash image, static things, and the same thing over here. So whenever we give the package name, it should be in this form, that is nothing but API. And we should select which Android version basically. So basically this virtual reality supports from Android 4.4, and here I have given it as. So target is nothing but automatic. So regarding any level from Android 5.0 and Android 4.4, we can install this app. So your architecture, we are using ARM version 7 to run it. ARM version 7 in the sense our mobile phones chip architecture. So if you are using web access, you can enable it, or it will get automatically disabled. Then here in XR settings we will be having some multiple options. Since I have already built this, it is difficult to get this again. So here you can see this virtual reality SDKs. So here it is nothing but Google Cardboard. If you click it, we will be able to see the rest of the things also. So once I will switch the platform and I will show you. So it will take some time to switch the platform. So now it has switched. Then after that we have to go for player settings and click on XR. So here it is nothing but virtual reality. Just give a tick mark on this. So if you click on this plus, you will be having multiple options such as Daydream, Mock, HMD, None, Oculus. And this cardboard is nothing but Google Cardboard option. So this and all we will be creating it only regarding with our application oriented. Why it is giving for each and every options in the sense, because each hardware will be having their own respective controlling options. So in order to that, even if you go with Google Cardboard, in the sense you will be having only one option, such as one switch only will be there. Whereas if you go with Oculus Rift, in the sense you will be having controlling options with inbuilt device. So once again I am switching into Mac, and after switching it, just click on build or build and run option. You can click on build or build and run option. It will ask for the folder. So I have saved it in project 1 folder, and this is my built file. So you can see that this is the build file. So now I am just going to run it. Okay, so I think now you can feel the audio that I am working. Just jumping. Just I am viewing my all the ways. So now you cannot see that complete imaginary lines which we have seen in Unity, just fallen down. So if this I have added to my VR box, in the sense I will be feeling in that I have fallen from a particular fixed screen. Okay, so this is nothing but a VR, and how that complete first person camera is working, in the sense this is the way. So here in jump sound they will be creating some jump sound within that particular camera. So you have to delete your main camera, then only we will be able to access it. And with the help of this head detection, we will be able to turn from one position to another. So these and all the packages they have been created. Now let us see what is the coding part inside that they have done it. It is completely based on C structure, which has been already enabled. If you have any comments regarding my presentation, you can definitely post it, so that by next time I can rectify it. Make sure that your system with should be in high configuration whenever you create some 3D oriented or any graphical oriented thing. So this is nothing but its authorized signatures and asset labels. So this is known as an asset. So how to add in the asset in the sense, just go to the asset store, or you can go with the online web asset store itself. So with that asset store you will be having an option nothing but open with Unity. So once you give it open with Unity, you will be having an option called as package manager. So you can see that package manager over here. So these are the packages which I have been till now I have been used for it. So here you can see that first person, and if you click on import, it will automatically import it to this file, and from that you have to drag and paste it in your screen. Sorry for the technical issue. Okay, so is there any questions or comments regarding this? You can just post it. So for Unity package you can go with so you must have a login ID for this. So you will be having the multiple options regarding that first person. So if you are using a controller, you have to buy a paid version, or else just for a trial I have took the free version. So you can see what are the availabilities. Just click on the option you required. It will ask for open in Unity. So therefore you will be obtaining that package manager and can use it. So now you can see this is the coding part. So everything is nothing but void awake in the sense about your walking experience as well as your supporting experience. Update in the sense whenever if you turn, you have to update automatically what are the movements as well as the environment settings. So you can see it is nothing but whenever I have came out of the plane, it is just showing that falling experience. This is nothing but a camera. So here if you want to edit any of the characters or some of the actions in the sense, you can make it. So hereby I will end the session. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. You can follow our websites, pantecheLearning.com as well as pantecsolutions.net. So regarding the course as well as the technical details, you can contact Mr. Senthil Kumar, Mr. Srinivasan, as well as Mr. Kumaraswamy. So once again, I thank SRM for giving us a wonderful opportunity just to express our environment and our technical details. I hope you all have enjoyed it. This is not a thing that can be learned only within the 1 hour. We have more and more options and more to do researches in this. So I suggest students to go with in that way for creating their new. If you have any doubts, you can just ping it in the comments as well as follow the mail ID such as chennai.training@pantechmail.com. So I convey my thanks towards Dr. J. Dileepan, Professor and Head of the Department of Computer Science and Applications, for giving us a wonderful opportunity. And thank you very much, sir. So I hope you have enjoyed a virtual reality in this lockdown period. So those who have any doubts regarding this, or if you want to get any suggestion, you can definitely contact us. Thank you. Guys, if you have any comments, you can just post it. We are here to help you. If you have any queries. You can also look for the online internship with the hands-on trainings. If you have any doubt, you can just go to pantechelearning.com. We will be having all the domains over that. You can select your domain which is required to you.